Even as the BJP gears up to announce its prime ministerial candidate, the party's alliance partner, the Shiv Sena, has egged on Narendra Modi and the party to take a call on the candidature. In an editorial in party mouthpiece, Samna party chief has said that there appears to be different streams within the BJP, which is why it hasn't been announced as to who its prime ministerial candidate would be.
मोदी अब बीजेपी के कैंडिडेट तो हैं जरूर, लेकिन अब तो जनता के कैंडिडेट हो गए। मोदी हर जगह तो जनता की राय है कि मोदी को बनाओ, मोदी को बनाओ। हम लोग तो जिधरे जाते हैं उधरे होता है कि भाई मोदी को आप जल्दी कैंडिडेट बनाइए प्राइम मिनिस्टर का। तो उनका ये कहना है कि पार्टी तो बनाना ही है, पार्टी के पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड के सारे लोग बनाएंगे, उन्हीं लोगों को बनाना है। लेकिन चारों तरफ जनता की आवाज जो है सो नरेंद्र मोदी बन गए हैं। तो इस जनता की आवाज को कितना आप दबा के रखिएगा, वो तो होना ही है। वो
सहयोगी निशाना साध रहे हैं।
सहयोगी साधने से कुछ नहीं निशाना होगा। वो आगे जो आदमी बढ़ जाता है तो उसके खिलाफ तो निशाना सभी लोग साधता ही है। ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, सभी लोग निशाना साधता है। तो कहावत जो है निजी लाज द हेड दैट वियर्स द क्राउन, तो वो तो होना है, वो सब तो होते रहेगा। लेकिन उससे मोदी को नोमेनक्लेचर एज ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैंडिडेट डिक्लेयर कर देना चाहिए।
Meanwhile, all right, let's first get in Tavleen for more on this story. Tavleen, what can you share with us at this point? Clearly, Shiv Sena sounds more emphatic about Modi's candidature than BJP itself.
See, it's very clear. Shiv Sena has been saying ever since there was murmurs about Narendra Modi being declared as the prime ministerial candidate, that whatever the decision the BJP takes, they will be with the BJP, apart from the other, alliances that the NDA has. Now, the Shiv Sena has clearly in the article that Uddhav Thackeray has written in Samna has very categorically talked about how Narendra Modi on Teachers' Day had said that he will continue to serve Gujarat till 2017, and that has led many to answer that whether or not Narendra Modi is in the race for the prime ministerial candidate in the BJP or not. And now Shiv Sena is only pushing Narendra Modi, and also the fact that BJP, it's high time that the BJP now takes a call and gets the alliances on board, and now gets ready for the 2014 fight. And it seems that the stage is now set, because remember, tomorrow an all important and crucial meeting between the RSS and the BJP will start, which will end on Monday, a two-day meeting. And what we're hearing from our sources that later in the week a decision on Narendra Modi will be taken, and an announcement is likely to happen then.
All right, so big decisions can come on Monday. Tavleen, stay with us. Meanwhile, Narendra Modi is scheduled to kick off the BJP's campaign in the states, going to the polls with a massive rally in Ambikapur in Chhattisgarh. Predictably, the Congress has criticized the BJP for choosing to hold the rally from a makeshift red fort.
I'm still saying that not only in BJP but in the entire NDA, there are internal squabbles over the candidature of the Prime Ministership. They are not able to zero down on one candidate, and I think it's going to be a very difficult task. That's why I appeal to the people of the country that those who fight amongst themselves, those who are not able to zero in on one name or two names, why do you vote for them? Because they can't give a good leadership, stable leadership to the country. Country will be in disarray if they come into power. So people should think twice before voting for them.